If your automatic transmission has suddenly started banging into gear like it is being hit with a sledgehammer, or if it feels like it is slipping when you try to merge into traffic, you are probably staring at the diagnostic trouble code P0964. This is not a code you want to ignore, because it means your pressure control solenoid B control circuit is open. To put it simply, these solenoids are the heart of your transmission's hydraulic brain. They control exactly how much fluid pressure goes to the clutches and bands so you get those smooth, seamless gear changes. This generic transmission code applies to vehicles with an automatic transmission including Ford, Chevy, Honda, and many others. When the powertrain control module detects an open circuit, it means the electrical path to that specific solenoid has been cut off, and the computer can no longer manage the shifting process properly. You might notice your fuel mileage dropping, the transmission overheating, or find your car stuck in limp mode, which is the computer's desperate attempt to save the transmission from total failure. Before you start fearing a massive repair bill, the very first thing you should do is pull the dipstick and check the condition of your transmission fluid. If the fluid looks dark, smells like it is burnt, or is just low, that could be the root of all your problems. Dirty fluid can easily clog up the internal filter or the tiny passages in the valve body, making it impossible for the solenoids to do their job properly. If the fluid looks clean and bright red, then you are likely looking at a wiring issue or a faulty solenoid. Get under the vehicle and do a thorough visual inspection of the connectors to the transmission pump and the powertrain control module. Look for that telltale green corrosion or any pins that look bent or pushed out. These circuits are incredibly sensitive to resistance, so even a little bit of dirt in a plug can trigger this code. Continuity checks should always be performed with the power removed to avoid creating more damage. Remember that neglecting this issue can lead to permanent internal damage very quickly. Checking for any technical service bulletins for your specific make and model can also save you a massive amount of time, as some vehicles are notorious for having specific wiring harness failures. Would you like me to help you find the specific resistance values for the solenoids in your particular transmission model?